The Freefly Astro Max. I'm about to tell you why this drone might be the right choice for you or your organization. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Unmanned Vehicle Technologies. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are talking about the Freefly Astro Max. Now this is an incredibly capable drone. It has a ton of features. We're going to talk about those in just a second, but a really important thing, NDAA compliance, and it is on the Blue UAS list, which is important because a lot of you have to check those boxes for yourself or your organization. So it meets the US standards and is able to be used on things like government contracts. So take note if those things are important to you, because the last thing you want to do is be doing all this research on the drones that are right for you or your organization and be looking at the wrong drones all along. I'm going to do another video on the topic of Blue UAS and NDAA compliance. So make sure you subscribe. And of course, if you've got any questions, make sure you reach out to Unmanned Vehicle Technologies. We are here to help. We've got people across the country and we'd love to talk to you. All right, so let's get into the features here. And the first thing that comes to my mind is the interchangeable payload. Whether you need thermal or you need high resolution mapping or its inspection, this drone is super adaptable. Anything you want to do, you're going to be able to do with this drone because you can swap out the payloads. So maybe your business is focused on inspection work, but now you want to grow a little bit and you want to do something with LiDAR, you're going to be able to do that. Here are just some of the payloads available for the Freefly Astro Max. First, you've got the LR1. This is a Sony full frame camera, essentially, that they put on a gimbal that can be attached to this drone. 61 megapixels, mechanical shutter, and you can interchange the lenses. So Sony lenses, the E-mount lenses are gonna fit onto this payload. So this payload is gonna be ideal for mapping because you're gonna get really accurate, high resolution maps out of it. And I was talking about adaptability earlier. This payload is actually really adaptable because not only are you getting that Sony camera there, but you can also add some little modules that will go onto that payload. So you can add a thermal module, going to give you 640 by 512 high resolution thermal. And you can also add a laser rangefinder to it. So those are two really important tools for some people, but if you don't need it, you can just get the LR1 camera by itself. And I should mention that Centera also has payloads for this platform. Again, there are numerous payloads here, but Centera has some great payloads for this drone. From thermal to multispectral, there are so many options here. So whatever it is you're trying to do, this drone is going to have you covered. You've also got multiple LiDAR payload options for this drone. And not only will that help, obviously, with LiDAR mapping, but it's also going to help if you are flying in really low light or when you're in a GPS denied area. Using that LiDAR in those situations is going to help you navigate where other drones wouldn't be able to. This drone requires 2 batteries to operate. They are guaranteed up to 500 cycles, and these batteries are redundant. So if you're flying and for some reason there's an error or there's a problem with one of the batteries, the other battery will take on the full load and will get the drone back home. So that's just a little bit of a safety backup for you. Speaking of batteries, you're going to get about 38 minutes of flight time without a payload on this drone. Now, who's flying without a payload? I don't think a lot of people, but if you put that LR1 sensor on it, you're going to get about 28 minutes of flight time. The drone can carry more than 6.5 pounds of payload. So depending on which one you're using, your flight time is going to vary because obviously the heavier the payload, the more taxing it is on the batteries and you're going to get less flight time. The drone is also RTK capable. Now you're going to need an add-on base station to use the RTK. So if you need highly accurate maps like centimeter level accuracy, RTK is definitely something that you're going to want to look into. The drone is IP43 certified and its operating temperatures are from -4 degrees up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The Pilot Pro controller that comes with this drone is big. It's got good grips on it. It also has a great feature where you can actually tilt and swivel the screen. So depending on the sunlight, how bright it is, you can actually move the screen around. It can go from flat on the remote itself, and then you can also twist and tilt it so that you've got a different angle of it, and it's going to help you when you're outside in the sunshine. You can plan and execute missions from the screen, and you can actually see real-time LiDAR information from the remote. Freefly says it can operate 8 hours a day, 365 days a year for 5 years before its service life ends. That's 14,600 operating hours, and that is incredible. So the Freefly Astro Max, it is absolutely a drone that can be used by so many different industries. Again, public safety for search and rescue operations and other things that they need to do on a day-to-day basis. Mapping, surveying, inspection, all sorts of different uses. Again, it all depends on the payload you're putting on because it is so adaptable. It's an all-purpose drone. It is NDAA compliant. It is Blue UAS. It is made in America. There are a ton of reasons that the Astro Max is a valid choice for anybody looking for a new enterprise drone. If you need more information or you want to set up a demonstration, make sure you reach out to UVT. This company spans the United States, so wherever you're at, we are ready to help you. So make sure you reach out. And if you want to see more information like this on different drones, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are making a ton of videos. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.